I am Madhvi Chittoor, 11 years old. This is my symphonic and choral composition titled Ensemble for Mother Nature. The singers are Kotok Biswas and group from Bangladesh, Tinday Gwamombe from Zimbabwe, Hassan Kaloko, Hawa Adima, and Hannah Fatmata from Sierra Leone, and myself from USA.
In a big blue war, but our beautiful home's burning to a crisp. All of these crises created by human hands. Let's come together and rise to take action. Let's come together and see Mother Nature. Mine cryptocurrencies, but we also cause
flooded oceans, smoking air, melting ashes, heating glaciers, dying forests, forever winds, flooding oceans, dead, coral,
Let's come together and rise to take action. Let's come together and see Mother Nature. Why should babies and children die? Should coasts and small nations sink? Should some die of hunger and thirst? Should voiceless wildlife go extinct? We are running out of time. Ooh, we are running out of time. Ooh, let's come together and rise to take action. Let's come together and see Mother Nature.
Recycle glass, recycle metal, recycling wood and recycle paper, plant trees, biodiversity,
green chemistry, toxic free, no pollution, no chemical hunting, no nuclear war, save energy, life, justice, stop the government, future generation, life and change.
Let's come together and rise to take action. Let's come together and